Hey guys, let's make a breakfast for champions. So I cut up some bell peppers, onions, zucchinis, and all my vegetables and just kind of saute them a little bit. Next I added some leftover chicken breast and just give that a shake. Add a little bit of salt and black pepper, oregano, cayenne pepper to heighten the flavor. Then we lightly beat 3 eggs. So we're making an omelette. Pour our egg in. And then we're gonna add some dairy-free Parmesan cheese. Flip our eggs, fold all the sides, and we're done. And if you're still watching, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And that's how you can support my channel. Now we're gonna brew some nice lemon balm and spearmint tea, organic, straight from the garden. A bowl of fresh fruits. I like to add a little bit of honey to enhance the taste of my tea. I add a little bit of tomato basil sauce onto our omelette. Voila! Just like that, we have breakfast under 30 minutes. So we have our omelette with some pita bread and butter. This was absolutely amazing.